In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF into the Gamma app. This process is perfect for anyone looking to seamlessly transition their documents into the Gamma environment, allowing for efficient AI-driven analysis. Whether you're dealing with personal notes or business reports, this method will come in handy. First things first, you'll need to log into your Gamma account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. This is your central hub in Gamma, where you can access all of your features and tools. You'll want to locate and click on the option labeled Create New AI. This step is essential because it initiates the process of importing new documents into the system. By creating a new AI, you'll be setting up a workspace where you can direct Gamma's powerful capabilities towards your newly imported file. After clicking Create New AI, you'll notice a selection labeled Import File or URL. This is where magic begins, as this option allows you to bring in documents from a variety of locations. For this tutorial, we are focusing on importing a PDF file, so go ahead and select that option. Gamma gives you the flexibility to either import from a web URL, which is perfect if your document is online, or as in this case, upload directly from your computer. Now it's time to click on Upload a File. This will prompt you to browse your computer's files, so make sure your PDF is easily accessible. Navigating your file system can sometimes feel overwhelming, but a simple tip is to have your PDF saved on your desktop or in a dedicated folder to minimize any hassle. Once you've located your document, select it and upload it. This step is crucial because a direct upload ensures that the document is located in Gamma's system for further analysis. With your file uploaded, the next command you'll see is click on Continue. It verifies that your file is successfully in the queue and you're ready for the next phase. By clicking Continue, you're effectively confirming your document's import and signaling that the AI analysis process should proceed. The final step is to select Generate. This function is what truly sets Gamma apart, as it takes your imported PDF and allows the AI to delve into the document, parsing content efficiently. The Generate command transforms static information into actionable insights, all inside Gamma's user-friendly environment. That's all there is to it. You've successfully imported a PDF into the Gamma app, utilizing its functional interface to lay the groundwork for powerful document analysis. Feel free to explore the many capabilities Gamma offers once your document is in the system. Thanks for following along and happy analyzing.